In my last video, I talked about the benefits of foam rollers, but they do have some limitations. So today I'm candidly sharing my experience with this vibration sphere and why it is the perfect convenient massage ball for home and on the go. This is my ultimate travel go-to gadget for muscle tension, lymphatic flow, lymphatic drainage, and relieving pressure and pain. The proper vibration sphere. You don't need to turn this on to get the benefit of this, but because it has the vibration aspect in it, it's multi-purpose. So not only is it going to agitate the movement, the muscles, and improve circulation, it's going to actually help with lymphatic flow. And that is very important to me. I use this for general lymphatic drainage as well as muscle tension release. And you can get into corners like elbows, shoulders, lower neck very easily because you can't roll your body and target those areas on one of these. I mean, you might, but it's very difficult. So for people who have mobility issues, can't get down on the floor, or do floor exercises. So if you're elderly or you're injured or you have some kind of disability, this is one reason why I recommend this so much to my patients, and they actually love it. And I've been teaching them how to do vibration sphere, self-massage, and muscle tension release using this guy right here. This gadget is available on Amazon. This guy actually comes in 4 speeds. It's powered by an adapter, so you don't do a USB plug-in for this. It doesn't take me long to charge it, say at least maybe about an hour, 2 at the most. I get quite a bit of use out of it. So basically about it runs for 10 minutes and auto shuts off. It actually, I think I use it about 2 to 3 times, so about up to 30 minutes a day collectively through a day, whether it's morning or night before I fall asleep. Mostly in the morning because I want to do a lot of lymphatic drainage. And I think I can go about 5 to 6 days, maybe 4 to 5 days before I have to charge it. And then again, it doesn't take long to charge. It's portable, it travels with you really well. It does have a little bit of weight to it. I forgot what the weight is exactly, but it's, I think compared to other vibration spheres, it's not very heavy. I love the fact that it has these nobules. So these nobules are great for actually emphasizing or accelerating the massage aspect of the sphere, whether you're using it alone or with the vibration aspect turned on. And it's rubber too, so it's not going to easily slip out of your hands. It doesn't feel cold, like some of them are kind of cold. I've had this for I think over 2 years, and it hasn't failed me. So that's it. The Proper Sphere is a top seller in my practice because it's practical and effective. If you have a favorite massage tool or you use this one, please let us know in the comments below. And please subscribe if you want to learn natural ways to get independently healthy. See you next time. Thanks for watching.